Alright dudes, I got 2017, she's dirty right now, but 2017 Fusion Sport, 2.7 liter twin turbo. It's throwing the code that you see on the screen right there, and I'm pretty sure it's the PCV. So I got a new one. Here's your part number. The old one should sound something like that. So I'm gonna pull it out real quick here. So you're gonna push, I'll start with this one. You're gonna push on the back of this clip back here. I don't know if you can see it. And when you push that out, you should be able to pull up. So you're gonna run your hand, I rotate it. There you go. There we go. Put that off to the side. You shouldn't be able to rotate this by hand. So I'm not in the shop, so I don't have my tools. I'm just sitting in my garage. But it's kind of tough with one hand, but it should turn, and then that little dude will break loose, or like it'll push loose. You should be able to take it off. I really hope that's the problem. It doesn't seem like it's bad, but I don't know if you can see down in it. The little baffle looks fine, so I don't know. We'll see. But the procedure to put it back in is pretty much exactly the same. It's going to be a short video. I did by my hand, but you may not be able to. So just use a pair of pliers or something. I do have this on, right? Don't I? I'm pretty sure. There we go. And then put on your cap there and clear the code. Before I do all that, I'm going to top off my coolant and stuff, so hopefully this solves it. Post up if you guys have run into the same code before and maybe had, you know, a different solution, different answer for it. Let me know, because I'm sure people would like to know. But what some of the things that I noticed were slight, I don't want to say misfire, but it seemed like a misfire, like slight step at idle. I had a slight smell when I would let the car sit overnight, so I could smell like almost like a little bit of a oil or a fuel smell when I would get in it the next morning. And usually that's because, you know, either your oil check, you know, level isn't seated properly, like maybe it's like sitting like that. That's got to be in there, or if your cap isn't on all the way. But hopefully that fixes it.